Okay, I have the common problem of not being able to spin the disc. Nothing's happening. I did get a disc, Guns N' Roses baby, cut out the center of it to see if I could get that to spin inside there. It spins. I can put quite a bit of resistance on it and it still spins. It eventually doesn't read it because it's a CD. And it's not the prongs on the front. I'm 100% sure of that. I have no clue why it will not spin. There's nothing, I mean, this spins freely. It's not catching on anything, not rubbing on anything. And when I touched that, when it was spinning with the CD I used, it didn't drag down on it. And I'm sure it's not enough resistance anywhere that it would stop that from spinning. So there has to be some type of sensor or something that's not allowing it to spin with a regular Wii game. And I've tried every Wii game we have. No Wii games work. See, that's spinning still. It's got plenty of pressure on it. I'm not holding it up. Once it can't read it, it stops spinning. So I have no idea what the problem is. Any help is appreciated.